Okay, excuse the jackhammer in the background, but this is why previous owners can be the best. Here are the city light circuits, yellow wires in the Montreal. There's a big yellow wire back there, and I've got the console out in order to try and track down a short in the yellow-black circuit. But while I'm here, how do people do this stuff when they're working on cars? I've got this giant yellow wire, which goes up to the window switch, one of them. Not only that, it vampire clips into one of those wires, which is black, which correctly leads you to believe it's a ground, because this yellow wire is attached way up under here for no apparent reason. And then we can look into here, and there's a bunch of loose wires, excess wires, and God only knows what else, which I think is related to the lighter socket, but just someone thought it was a good idea just to take all that crap and just stuff it back in there with a little bit of tape on it. And I just want to know what they were thinking. Meanwhile, maybe I can find this short. 70s Italian wiring. What could get better than that? Oh, and every time I turn around on this car, there's something else I need. That's pretty hot. Oh well. But look at those gauges.